Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the UI path. So in this session, I will explain you how to download or how to save whatever documents are attached in any defect. So sometimes it is required to download the attachments which is available in the defect or in user story or in some change request from Jira. So these are it is always recommended to do that for the smaller file, but when we are working with the huge or large or big chunk of file, it is always recommended to do that automatically because it's a cloud system. Sometimes it is taking more time, and whenever in terms of activities or in terms of user story, that should be always having 2 GB 4 GB of data. It's totally dependent on the project, on which project we are working. So I will show you here how to automate this thing and save the attachment automatically from Jira in UiPath. So I've already created. Let me delete this and I will show you in front of you how we'll do that. So as we have already discussed in my previous session, how to connect or test connection in Jira Get application scope. After connection, we just need to see any defect should contain attachment. You can see here one attachment is available here. So we are going to download this attachment and save in some folder. Let's see any other defects are also having attachment. You can see attachments are also available. So first cross check that is that defect is having attachment or not. So we need here one activity, that is download all files. From here we need to provide the folder location. So let me open the folder where this whole project is saved. We'll create over there one folder. From that folder we'll save this attachment. So my project name is Jira test. Now download. So it's already available. Let me delete this. Now you can see folder is empty now, and copy the path and save it to here in double quote. Now we have already provided the path. Let's configure the key. So from which defect you want to extract or from which defect you want to download, that we need to mention the defect ID as well. So you can see defect ID is here. Copy the link UTP1, or you can directly enter that UTP1. Now you can see defect we have entered. Now it's done. Let's save this and run the sequence. So it will go to the Jira login credentials, open through token API, which we have configured in my previous session. So please watch that previous session on updating defects. So once you will see that how to update the defect details, you will get to know how will configure and attach and test the connections. Let's wait for the completion. It's taking time. So usually it is not taking time, it is a fraction of second work, but it's totally dependent on the system resources or your desktop resources. So how much memory is free, because your path application is a big tool and integrated with several other applications. Because of that, sometimes it is taking time due to availability of the or unavailability of the resources or the system memory. Still execution is not completed. You can see here, once execution is completed, again execute command is available. It's just started. Now you can see execution started. Now execution is completed. Let's go to the folder. Now you can see attachment is available here. So if you want to download other defects attachment, you can also do that. Just change the defect number. So I am changing here the defect number to I am downloading from here. Save this and run it again. Now started execution and now it's completed. You can see other attachment is also available. So by this way we can download it automatically without any manual intervention. This is all about how to download attachment from Jira in UiPath. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and reward with the results. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.